think it's here. Shh. Oh. It's heavy. Thank you. So heavy. Doesn't matter, we're moving. Alright, I'll blur it out. See how heavy it is. Really heavy. I don't know if this should be the rope. Wait a second.
You can go outside in the sun. It's better.
Here's all that rubbish. I have a look over here. Can we recycle this?
No.
The thick stuff. 8 millimeters. 8. The normal one is 4 or even 3 some people get. I looked at 5 millimeter, but 8 millimeter and red, just in case I lose the rope in the water, I can jump in and find it again because it's a different color to the background. That is a lot. How much is that? 20 meters long. 100% nylon. Alright. So I got the rope. And I'll open this box. I hope it's what I think it is. Oh yeah. Oh, this is metal. Oh, I can, it does have, it's repelling it. Okay, anyway, I'll open it. This box might come in handy to keep it in for now. Extremely powerful magnet. The most powerful one I could find on Amazon. Extremely. So don't get your little fingers stuck between the magnet and another metal object. That's why this is plastic. Happy? Not happy. I'll tell you in a minute. Friendly customer service. Right. Oh, I shit my pants.
Did you think that was
I saw these two little magnets and I thought, no way. But then I saw this bar which holds the magnet, and I guess these are a gift. These two little ultra strong magnets. And here's the bar that I have to screw in. I'm going to put super glue along the thread and thread it into the magnet so that it doesn't come undone. Okay, not sure what that's for. Oh shit. Okay, these little bits of plastic are just to keep it from everything else. This is heavy. Very dense. It's like lead. It's got to be like 2 kilos or something. It's very heavy. I have the option to screw it in there in the center and then use this magnet at the bottom, which I don't prefer to do because then the top magnet's not used. And then there's the option to put the screw in here, and then I can pull the magnet sideways along the water, and it's fucking, I mean, it's really heavy. It's really heavy. It's got to be like 2 kilos. That's why the big rope's going to come in handy, and I'm going to have to tie it to this finding. Alright, here are the statistics. 1,000 kilos, not 1,200 kilos. Yeah, 1,200 kilos was more expensive. This is the most the one that fit in my budget, that was the most powerful. 2 times 500 kilo magnets, combined 1,000 kilograms. So I've got a box, a big plastic esky I can use to put this in. And I'm gonna sort of put this into the box and everything, because it's so big and so heavy and so dangerous.
Do you want me to get the box?
No, I need to sort out a lot of things, but I'm going to work this out somehow, so it's going to be safe from anything metal. Alright, I'll make a video later of me actually tying this to the knob and getting this done properly. And I'll need some super glue to put on the thread and then thread that into the magnet. It's very big and very heavy. I'm happy with it so far. Now I just got to make some sort of protective case so I can carry it around with me, and the rope. And then we're going to go take it to the Czech Republic. And in the Czech Republic there are no laws whatsoever about anything whatsoever. It's not exactly true, but we're going to go to public places where we are allowed to do what we want, and we're going to try our go at magnet fishing in the Czech Republic as soon as tomorrow. As soon as tomorrow. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. This is Irish Ore. We received our first heavy magnet. Maybe we get another one in a few months, so 2 of us can do it at the same time. But this is it. It's quite a heavy and expensive package, around about $100. And if you're into the idea of magnet fishing, I think, yeah, you could invest less money than this and still have really good fun with a magnet that only costs, like, say, $25 or $30. Thanks for tuning in. This is Irish Ore.